What you doing?
Cleaning. I knew you were coming. I would have baked the cake.
Your door's touching Tom's car.
Yeah, I know. I got the pressure on.
Oh wait, I'm putting coffee on top of his car.
Trans Am's getting fixed.
Look at this shit, man. I see the glow from the top of your head, man.
What?
Did you use some of that cleaner on the top of your head?
Is it shiny?
Oh god, I can't believe how nice these seats are.
Yes.
Oh my god, that is just incredible. All these years, man, the original seats, even this is in good shape. Look at that. And the chrome is all good. Look at that. Oh my god.
Yeah. I figure I had to clean the interior right now because I feel like I hit the lotto.
Why?
Why? What did I do with it? Now I lost it again.
Anthony hit the lotto.
Yeah, I hit the lotto, all right. I was going nuts. Now
See, this guy's natural for YouTube because he just has everything to say, when to say it, how to say it.
I cleaned out. I took all the weather stripping off the car.
Okay.
Okay. When I took the weather stripping off, I thought I threw this out.
You do that? What? What was that?
I thought.
You thought it?
I thought I threw this out.
What is that? That's a trim piece, right? For the.
Well, my weather stripping sits inside of it.
Oh.
So this was the only piece that was missing.
Okay.
I called everybody. People went to Pennsylvania to Harry's. You pulled it. They don't have the car.
Okay.
They don't have the trim. I found it. It was buried in my seat.
Well, that's a good place for it.
So I feel like I hit the lotto.
So where does that go exactly?
There's a black.
Let me see with the.
Yeah.
For the people out there that don't know G bodies, they don't understand this.
This sits here.
Ooh, don't scratch your paint.
I know the painter. That sits there like that.
Okay.
And then this piece sits in here, like that, and then the weather stripping sits inside of it. You can see on the other side how it looks.
All right, let's go check it out. Clean the engine bay up a little bit too. Still got some work to do.
Yeah, I still got to clean that up. I got some of this shit off of it. I still got to give the car another 5,000 wet sandpaper on it.
I'm hitting shit. That's it. I'm in trouble.
That's $5 grand right there.
Yeah, it's $5 grand. So explain to see this.
See the weather stripping sits inside that bracket that I was just showing you?
Yeah, look at that.
Without that bracket, it don't sit in there.
You painted this too?
All the trim is all painted black.
Yeah, that's nice. Oh, you got the glass in?
The glass is in, but it's got to get sealed around here now.
Okay.
And this side is basically complete. Now I'm working on the other side.
Alright.
But the car is wet sanded and polished. I just got to go over the car one more time with 5,000.
Yeah, you can see the
there's a couple of spots.
Please tell me you're getting rid of those gauges too.
Gauges are going in the dashboard. These are coming out. These are coming out.
Yeah, the dummy lights.
And I'm putting digital gauges in the car.
Okay.
I found them.
Oh, you got the build sheet too.
Yeah, I found it in the door panel.
Oh, let me see this. Wow. Yeah. That's a rarity also.
Yeah, you don't find that.
It's in good shape too.
I ripped it a little bit when I took it out. It was in that door panel.
Yeah, you should laminate it or no, actually I wouldn't even laminate it. I would actually put it in a
I'm gonna take a picture of it.
Like a Ziploc bag or something, like, you know, so it doesn't
put
like
it in my glove box and leave it on my seat when I go to car shows.
Yeah.
If there ever is gonna be a car show.
Yeah, I know with all this COVID shit going on. But even the dashboard's not even cracked.
Nah. Nothing.
God. Even door panels are in good shape.
Yeah, I'm missing one little piece. That.
Wow.
Man, right?
Even the glass is in good shape. Usually they're scratched from the
these things.
From the tracks.
These are the felts that right.
Yeah, and usually these are shot. Look at that. Wow.
Yeah, because the car only got 56,605 on it.
Yeah, this car was loved. This car was definitely loved. It's a well optioned out car because it's got power door locks, windows,
tilt steering.
It The only thing it doesn't have, which was typical for the Pontiacs because they were the luxury.
The Pontiac is the luxury one.
They give you the quartz, the fake quartz clock, and like the dummy gauges, and that's it. Because the Monte's got the full tax, right, and everything.
And the cutlass salon.
And the cuts in the salon.
And this car came with the
and it's got and it also got a rear option too, which was optional in these cars, was the rear defogger, which is standard in most of the cars these days. Yeah, but this is typical GM.
The next model up has the double cushion seats.
Oh, but these are comfortable, bro. I'm sitting inside these right now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's got the center rest.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so that's not bad. That's not bad at all. And these are bench seats, but they have like a contour, like a bucket almost.
It's a split.
Yeah, no, no, but I'm saying instead of having like a bucket, you know, like with a center console, I like this configuration better. Yeah. Because it actually gives you more room. Yeah. And it doesn't creak and rattle like the old plastic GMs. It's like solid here. Yep. So the headliner needs to be done.
Yeah, I can do the headliner.
I don't know if I can get that on the GoPro.
Yeah, it's got it's beautiful thumbtacks holding it up.
Yeah, no, I like that. But even the back deck is good. The back plastics, because usually those GMs they fade to dust. A lot of the plastic. Even this is good. A little stress crack in here, but it's not too bad. Wow, that's nice.
Even the steering wheel's in great shape.
Yeah. Usually that has some greasy fat guy's hands all over it or something like that.
Well, it's got a fat guy on it now.
Yeah. Oh, you still got the chrome wheels.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Still got the chrome wheels. Chrome wheels. They suck, people. Yeah, that nose looks good.
I still gotta put the bottom. I gotta paint the lower grills.
Yeah.
Put those in.
That was a wise choice with some of the chrome. Keep some of the chrome and then blacked out.
Yeah.
The rest of it. Are you gonna do that black?
No.
No.
I'm actually gonna leave it.
You're gonna leave it?
Yeah.
Okay. But you could always just put.
I can always put pinstripe in it if I wanted.
Or electrical tape.
Nah. I'm not gonna say the exact words what Pontiac really stands for.
Put that on YouTube. We'll bleep that out. Wow, this fucking car is a mess now. Holy shit.
We ordered a new quarter panel for it.
Why are you putting so much money into this? To your third gen guys, I'm sorry, but I don't even know if this is gonna make it in the video, but this is fucking a waste of money, bro. I'm gonna call Tom up and tell him he's fucking crazy.
To go buy another car and take everything off?
Yeah, go buy a junk car. Go buy a junk car with nothing, a V6 car. Go buy a V6 car. You can just swap all the parts over to that. This is ludicrous, bro.
No.
This is, you know how much time and money you're gonna put into this for what? What is the car gonna be worth? It's not even a Trans Am either.
Formula.
Right. No, I'm saying the Formula's worth money, but it's a third gen. It's just, come on, let's just show them with the body work.
The door's closed. The quarter panel was smashed.
Yeah, I know.
By a van.
I could just see the fucking chunks of Bondo on this.
Yeah. So
you out of your fucking mind.
He ordered a quarter panel. He ordered a rocker. The rocker inside the car. I don't even know that. It's rotted through.
Bro, I can see the whole fucking thing is gone.
Yeah.
Pull that carpet back, bro. Come on, man. Who are we kidding?
Look. You can see.
Maybe.
No. You see it?
I can't see that. Yeah, it's a hole, bro. I can see right through the fucking floor. No way. Get out of there. Let me see. This is crazy. I can't see that. Nah, bro. You already ordered the parts?
Yep.
Why?
Wants to fix it.
Dude, this whole panel's got Bondo on it. Look.
The whole panel's coming off.
Dude, it's got Bondo all the way down into here.
Yep. So the quarter panel's coming off. He ordered